just trying to set up my workshop. And I just went and bought this little $25 wireless charging for my phone, because I'm videoing on it and I'm listening to music on it, and so I come down to the workshop and next thing the phone is dead. And so I was charging it on just a normal cable, but unplugging it and replugging it all the time. I'm always worried I'm going to break the USB port on the phone, and also if the case gets in the road and then you want to pick it up quickly and put it down. So this is $25 for this. So I would need to set this up in a way that I can easily use it in the workshop. So this is actually the case for the phone, for the charger. So if I have something like that, like this, and then bend that over like that, so it just sits like that. I can't show you with the phone in because I'm using the phone now to video, but if I have it like that and then I fold the sides up, I'll make it wider than that and fold sides up so it doesn't fall out, the phone can just sit down into that, and this can go onto the wall somewhere and just get screwed on, you know, just down over the road somewhere. It's convenient. And I'll put a couple of holes in the back there to allow me to get screws to fix it to the wall. So I just grabbed a bit of my 1.8mm. There's a sheet over there in the corner, and I just whipped a little bit off the side of that. It's very handy having tools. So I got my pneumatic shears, and just whip that off the side, and I will I need to cut it a bit shorter, I think, but that was just a convenient. I had an offcut out of the corner, that was hanging off the side. Let me show you. This sheet has got this bit poking off the side, and that piece was out here, so it was just already that width. So the minimum chomp into my big sheet was using it like that. So I've got my little finger brake. Let me do this. So I will mark this out and get it ready for bending. Here's the finished product. So I just bent that like that. Put a hole in there for the charge cable to go in. So that just will sit like that. And this will be screwed to the wall. Maybe down here. And then I can just drop my phone in. So, quick little job, just a handy extra for the workshop. Pardon all the mess down here, but there it is screwed on. It's plenty strong enough, and this is pointing to exactly why I need to do all the drawers with all this mess. But I'll keep that bit along there mostly clean, and down there's where I do my dirty grinding. But anyway, that is plenty stiff enough, and I put some double-sided tape underneath this because it needed to be sitting up off this fitting down here, just to hold it up in the right position so there wasn't any pressure on this cable. But walk in, drop it on there, and my phone's on charge, and I can grab it, I can put it back really easily rather than having to plug and unplug. Not that plugging and unplugging is that big a deal, but it just gets annoying after a while. So done job.